Hi everybody, in this video we're going to dive deeper into what exactly is a function and be able to interpret a function rule at the end of the video. Okay, so a quick reminder, a function describes the relationships between inputs and outputs, and so far we've learned a couple different ways of how to write a function. The mapping diagram, table, graphing, and order pairs, and today we're going to add one more. We're going to write a function as an equation. So here are some examples. Y is equal to 6x plus 9. Here's f of x is equal to, h of x is equal to. Notice that an equation has to have an equal sign. That is the definition of an equation. It has an equal sign, and an expression does not. So the formal definition is an equation describes what to do to the input to get to the output, and it has to have an equal sign, otherwise it's going to be called an expression. Okay, so here is kind of like a little function bot, if you will. So we have a function, f of x is equal to 2x. That's our function. We are going to take the input, so remember those are the x values. We're going to put it in our function machine, and that function is going to apply the 2x, and the output is going to be all of the y values that are produced from multiplying all of the x values by 2. So think about that. You're taking your x, you're putting into the function. The function tells you what to do to that x, in this case, multiply by 2, and then our output is whatever number that totals to. Okay, so let's look at two examples. So we have y is equal to 2x, which we just talked about. What does it do? It multiplies each input by 2. So let's look at one more example. If we have y is equal to x plus 9, what is this function doing? Well, it's taking every x value and it's adding 9 to every input. So I want you guys to think about the equations as, hey, what are we doing to the x values to get our outputs? All right, this one was super short and easy. Watch the next one and we will talk about how to evaluate the functions.